maker like somebody about to pay ya.
Crackling wicks with aromatic fragrances are luxury at its finest. This kit provides all the tools essential to accomplish a high-quality, mood-setting, unforgettable candle business. From the finest candle-making supplies to premium wax, you'll be able to take your passion for crafting and turn it into your most lucrative stream of income. Deluxe Satin Soy Wax is the king of all soy waxes. This wax is so beginner friendly and you're always guaranteed a smooth top as well as a strong hot throw because this blend is formulated with a food grade amount of paraffin. Not enough to cause headaches and carcinogens in the air, but just the smallest amount of paraffin to provide candle performance benefits. Simply cut it up into squares using a rectangular spatula or a soap cutter so that the wax will melt down evenly and faster. And then you add the wax to a melter and heat until it reaches roughly 190 degrees Fahrenheit. You have the option of choosing between sexy and sultry, fresh and floral, sweet and creamy, or natural and spa. For today's video, we'll be using Sweet and Creamy, the fragrance bundle of 3 different best-selling sweet scents. I measured 4.5 ounces of fragrance for each pour. With 3 different scents, that's 13.2 ounces of fragrance per 12 candles. We're using a 10% fragrance load, so that's 11 ounces of wax per candle and 1.1 ounces of fragrance per candle. Next, it's important to prepare the candle vessels by sanitizing with rubbing alcohol to get rid of the moisture and debris from shipping. Sanitizing the jars will also ensure the wick stickers will stay put in each jar. Each Aura vessel comes with a centering dot like you see here, so that you'll know exactly where to place your wicks. And once they're dry and clean, I just add in that crackling wooden wick to the wick holder and apply the wick stickers to the jar. Since I measured 4.5 ounces of fragrance for each pour, and we're doing a 10% fragrance load, I am pouring 45 ounces of wax. After pouring the 45 ounces, I add in the fragrance and mix it for a full 2 minutes. From there, I pour 4 candles and I repeated this process for the entire 36 candle batch.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On trial, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love.
After the candles were cured, I went ahead and trimmed them to a 1/4 inch. This was after 24 hours just to ensure they were fully solidified. Because I used Makesie's Moneymaker kit, I was able to ensure my recipe was perfect the first time. They give you a full insight into their digital burn book on exactly how to make successful wooden wick candles. The link to this kit will be in the description down below, as well as the additional items that were used in this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on any other candle making related videos. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Live in your purpose. Go make some good candles and love life. Okay, bye.